In this video, I'll show you how to add Passkey in Roblox if you're using your mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So open up your Roblox, click on the more, scroll down, click on the settings, click on account info. So I'm going to wait for it to load up now. So I'm going to click on add Passkey. I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to do this required details needed. So I'm going to enter. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to confirm it. So I'm going to just click on continue. So I'm going to enter these details needed. So I just entered mine. So you can see this now. Passkey created. So you can see it. We notice that a passkey has been created on your account. So this is basically how you can be able to create a passkey if you are using your mobile here on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'm going to see you all in the very next video.